Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to save and organize documents in Adobe Scan. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to save and organize documents in Adobe Scan, the first thing that you need to do is simply head over and open up the Adobe Scan application. Then, once done, make sure to be signed into your account using your Adobe ID, Google, Apple, or Facebook. Then once done, what you need to do is scan your document, and then once this scan has been completed, simply tap on Save PDF on the bottom icon of your screen. The scan is now saved automatically to Adobe Document Cloud if you're signed in, and your document is now a PDF and stored safely for future access. Now, in order to organize documents, what you need to do is just simply select the document that you want to edit or organize by simply tapping on the three-dot icon right next to the document, and here you can either combine files or export PDF, and you can also rename the document as well by simply tapping on the rename option and then simply typing in your name. And then once that's done, simply select rename, and the selected or the typed name will be set to the selected PDF. Now you can also select the three-dot icon once again by simply opening up a multi-page PDF, then tapping it, and then select page thumbnails and drag pages to reorder. Then you can also delete unwanted pages by simply tapping on page thumbnail once again, then simply tap on delete and then confirm removal. You can also use Adobe's Acrobat app to create folders and move PDFs for better organization. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.